Your front door is one of the most important features of your home. Not only does it serve as an entryway, but it also plays a crucial role in the security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal of your property. Over time, however, even the most well-maintained doors can begin to show signs of wear and tear. If you're a homeowner in Redmond, Washington, it's important to recognize when your door needs to be replaced. Here are 5 key signs that it's time for a door replacement in your Redmond home. Visible damage or wear one of the most obvious signs that it's time to replace your door is visible damage or wear. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause your door to warp, crack, or show signs of fading. Whether your door is made of wood, steel, or fiberglass, it will eventually start to deteriorate, especially in Redmond's climate, which experiences a mix of rainy winters and sunny summers. If your door has noticeable cracks, chips, or gouges, or if the surface is peeling or fading, it's not just an aesthetic issue. It can also compromise your door's performance. A damaged door can be less effective at insulating your home, leading to drafts and higher energy bills. Additionally, a door with physical damage can be more vulnerable to break-ins, compromising your home's security. Difficulty in opening or closing the door. Another sign that it's time to replace your door is if it has become difficult to open or close. If your door sticks, squeaks, or doesn't align properly with the frame, it could be due to warping or shifting caused by weather, age, or poor installation. Over time, wooden doors are particularly susceptible to warping as they expand and contract with changes in temperature and humidity. A door that is hard to open or close can also be a safety hazard, as it may not shut properly or lock securely. In a worst-case scenario, a stuck or misaligned door could prevent you from escaping in an emergency or make it easier for intruders to break in. If you notice these issues, it may be more cost-effective and safer to replace the door entirely. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. Drafts and temperature fluctuations are a clear sign that your door is no longer providing adequate insulation. A well-sealed door should keep the outside air from entering and the conditioned air inside from escaping. However, over time, door seals can wear out, and the door itself may lose its insulating properties, especially if it's an older model or made from a less energy-efficient material. In Redmond, where winters can be cold and summers are relatively mild, replacing your door can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency. You may notice that your heating or cooling system is running more frequently or that certain rooms feel colder or hotter than others. Newer doors, particularly those with energy-efficient materials and insulation, can help regulate your home's temperature, reducing your energy bills and improving comfort. Security concern. If you're concerned about the security of your home, your door is the first place to start. An old or poorly installed door can become a weak point in your home's security. Whether it's a front door, back door, or patio door, the safety of your home depends on the strength of these entry points. If your door frame is loose, your locks are outdated, or your door can be easily kicked in, it's time to invest in a replacement. Modern doors are equipped with stronger materials, reinforced frames, and advanced locking systems to provide enhanced security. Steel or fiberglass doors, in particular, are more resistant to break-ins than traditional wooden doors. Additionally, new doors often come with features such as multi-point locking systems or impact-resistant glass, further increasing your home's security. Replacing your old, insecure door is a vital step in protecting your family and belongings. Outdated style or aesthetic. Another reason to consider replacing your door is if it no longer complements the style of your home. An outdated or mismatched door can negatively impact your home's curb appeal. If you've recently updated your home's exterior or are planning to sell, a new door can make a world of difference in how your home looks from the street. A new door can refresh the look of your home, giving it an updated, stylish appearance that enhances its overall appeal. Whether you opt for a sleek, modern design or a more traditional style, the right door can elevate the aesthetic of your property and make a lasting impression on visitors or potential buyers. If you're preparing to sell your home, a new door can also increase its market value and make it more attractive to prospective buyers. Conclusion. If you're experiencing any of the signs mentioned above, visible damage, difficulty opening or closing, drafts, security concerns, or an outdated style, it may be time to replace your door. Upgrading your door can enhance your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, while also providing better insulation and ease of use. Whether you're replacing a front door, patio door, or any other entryway, investing in a new door can make a significant difference in the comfort, safety, and value of your home. If you're unsure about whether it's time to replace your door, consult with a professional to assess the condition of your current door and explore the options that best suit your needs.